to Kingston streets. Rhythms of freedom in every heartbeat. We fight the shadows, we face the pain, but through the struggle our love remains. Sister and brother, hand in hand, we walk together across the land. Voices of hope, singing for peace. May every soul find its relief. Through the fire,
Through the rain,
we share the joy,
we share the pain.
music's the bridge and love's the key. Together we stand, eternally free. Runs all the night, calling the dawn. The past is heavy, but we carry on. Songs of the people, stories of old. In unity, our spirits are bold. Raise your hands, let the music heal. Every wound, every tear, every deal. We dance in freedom, hearts aligned. One people, one love, one mind. No walls, no borders, no chains. Only the rhythm that remains. From Rio to Kingston, we proclaim peace and love in Jah's name. We rise together,
Hearts on fire,
through stormy nights.
we lift higher.
One love, one people,
One desire,
Edson and Rita.
light the choir.
Through markets of Rio, through Kingston small streets, the rhythm of struggle and triumph repeats. From every corner, a story is told of hearts growing bold, of spirits turned gold. We honor the past but create for today. With music our banner, with love as our way. Stand firm in the storm, let the light be your guide. For truth is eternal and Jah walks beside. The fire in our hearts can melt chains or be straight, can lift every soul from the weight they bear. We teach through the song, through dance and embrace, that love is the power no shadow can chase. Raise hands to the heavens, lift voices as one. Celebrate the morning, rejoice in the sun. Let kindness and courage guide all that we do. For unity blossoms where hearts stay true. In every village, in every street, the rhythm of hope makes every heart beat. From Rio to Kingston, from mountains to shore, the music reminds us what life is for. No greed, no cruelty can silence our voice. Through struggle and strife we still rejoice. Together we march, together we sing, for love is eternal and hope is our king. See the sun rise over the Atlantic tide. Feel the courage of elders walking beside. Every challenge we face is a lesson to learn. Every heart that is humble has a light to return. Through sweat and through tears, through laughter and pain, the rhythm of life flows like soft summer rain. So plant seeds of love, let them grow ever higher. For tomorrow is bright when today lifts the fire. Oh children of earth, hear the call of the day. Let no fear or sorrow lead your hearts astray. With each note of the guitar, with each drum beat sound, our unity strengthens our spirits unbound. From markets to mountains, from rivers to seas, we walking together, there's hearts full of peace. So sing, dance and love, let the melody soar. For love is the key, and truth is the door. The night may be long, the path may be steep, but love and resilience are treasures we keep. Through music, through prayer, through kindness displayed, the darkness retreats and hope will cascade. No tyrant, no shadow can conquer our song, for hearts joined in harmony are forever strong. So lift up our hands, let the spirits inspire. We march ever onward, our hearts full of fire. From favela to forest, from city to plain, every step of justice, every note of pain. We honor the ancestors who walked before. Their courage and wisdom still open the door. We live for the moment but remember the past. For unity and love are treasures that last. Through rhythm, through song, through dance and desire, our lives are the chorus, our souls are the fire. Every drum beat a heartbeat, every chord a prayer, a reminder that Jah's presence is always there. From morning's first tonight's gentle fall. We answer the call to uplift